welcome back to my channel, All Things Michkiah. I hope you guys had a wonderful new year. You know, the holidays are over and you know people don't want to go get into that deep cooking, so I have a quick little recipe. You could use it for lunch or like a Friday night dinner. It's just like something really quick. I have all the ingredients I'll be using I had already at home in my pantry. I didn't have to go out and buy anything, so yeah, it should be good. So just stay tuned. It's quick and it's easy. Okay, so right here, you know, I took some chicken out of my fridge. I cubed it really small and seasoned it a little bit, and then I had some bacon. And what I'm gonna do with the bacon, I'm just gonna put it, I'm gonna place it in this pan and put it in the oven so it can do, like it could just crisp up. Oh, this is 2 pieces. Oh, ain't got good. Gave me another piece of bacon. I thought I only had 3 pieces of bacon. There you have it. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven and let it crisp up. Okay, and for my chicken, it's already seasoned. So all I'm gonna do, I have my frying pan. I'm just gonna cook it up a little bit in there, and then we're almost halfway done. Okay, so I'm just grating. I'm doing 2 different types of flatbread. I'm doing a chicken bacon ranch, but instead of using the ranch, I have some Chick-fil-A sauce on hand that I'm gonna put on it because I love Chick-fil-A sauce. And I will do a cheesy one. So that's why I'm grating some cheese. Okay, so I use these stone fire naan that I found in the store. They were buy one get one free. I had them on hand for a little bit. And yeah, my chicken is done. And so all I'm gonna do now is assemble. So I greased this baking sheet, and I'm just gonna place my flatbread on there. Straight to the oven we go. Everything on it is already cooked, so all we need to do is like have the cheese melted. And we're done. Okay, for this one, I'm making another type of naan flatbread. So what I did, I have some minced garlic to some butter, mixing it all together, and then I'm gonna add it to my naan, just like so. Naan is really good with butter. Like, I usually just put them in the oven, make some chicken, Indian style chicken really, like, you know, and then just have it like that. But garlic makes everything so much better. Okay. So now I'm just adding some mozzarella cheese to this. And this is just a cheesy naan, like nothing else. It's all good. This is all done. So I'm just gonna pop this in the oven. So this one is the same concept with the garlic, not that much butter on it, but I'm gonna add some like marinara sauce to it. You know, I'm just giving you guys, like, you could just basically add whatever you want to it. I should go get some more butter, but I won't. Now I'm adding some marinara sauce. You could put whatever you want on it. Like, I'm just making a few different types. You know, just to give you guys an idea. And then I'm just gonna add some more mozzarella cheese. And actually, I could actually do a mixture of cheeses. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Parmesan to this one as well. And we're all done. Just pop it in the oven for a few minutes and you'll be good. This one I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of basil. Okay guys, so there you have it. This is my chicken bacon ranch, but like I said, I had some Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce is really good. I thought it would be good on this, so instead of using the ranch, I used the Chick-fil-A sauce on top of this, and then I just garnished this with a little bit of basil. This is just cheese with some marinara sauce, and yeah, it's done. You could put whatever you want on these flatbreads. They'll be good. Okay, so there you have it, another recipe. This one was very simple and quick, easy to make. You could definitely put what you want on top of the flatbread. I did it with things that I had lying around the house. I didn't have to go out to the supermarket and get anything. So yeah, I hope you will try this recipe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.